Sand filters will require regular inspections to ensure that they stay effective over time. A simple visual inspection can help determine if a system needs maintenance. The first step is to check the inlet. Check for blockages or debris accumulation, and ensure water flows freely into the filter. In the pre-treatment area, inspect the sedimentation basin or forebay for sediment buildup. Remove any trash or debris. Next, check the surface of the system. Look for signs of clogging or standing water, indicating poor drainage. Ensure the land is even and not eroded or displaced. Check the outlet pipes for obstructions or damage and ensure water is exiting the filter properly. Finally, check the surrounding area. Inspect for erosion or other signs of damage around the system. If vegetation is being used, ensure it's maintained and not obstructing the system. Regular visual inspections help identify maintenance needs and ensure the sand filter continues to function effectively. If there are issues with your system that will require professional maintenance, consider contacting stormwater professionals to handle them. Visual inspections should be done monthly to ensure any potential issues are identified before becoming more serious problems. With regular inspections and maintenance, sand filters can continue to have a positive impact on our waters.